So I just got a package from Sephora, so I'm a little out of breath. I just had to walk up and down 5 flights of stairs in order to go to the parcel pending and then back up to the apartment. But I got a package from Sephora. I just wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys. I got this because Tyler and I are wanting to switch up our skincare. We've been using Proactive. I think it's Proactive Plus, whatever second one that they came out with. We've been using that I've been using Proactive since I was 16, I think. And then Tyler's been using it since we started dating, basically. And I like it. It really helps. Tyler had some serious acne problems, and it really, really helped his skin to not be quite so pimply. And I've always felt like it helped my skin not to be super pimply. But I feel like it's time for us to move out of that, maybe try some more grown-up face skincare things. So that's what I tried to do. So I ordered a couple of trial things from Drunken Elephant. I think that's what it's called, through Sephora. So hopefully it's going to be good. We'll see. I don't even remember what it looks like anymore. I've kind of forgot that I ordered this. Let's see. Ugh, the box is not wanting to go. There we go. This is a really big box for what I feel like is a very tiny thing. Yeah, like, okay. It is this big, huge box for this one tiny little thing. This is cute, though. This is really cute. I like this. You guys can see it says Precious Cargo. What does it say? It's a baby Let's Go bag. And it's got kind of like a mesh top. You can see all the products in there. And a zipper that goes around. Oh, wow. Okay, this is cute. Oh, okay, so it's got a mesh top right here, but then like this part right here is plastic. So it doesn't go through. I don't know why they did it like that. Like the rest of it, is plastic, so I'm not sure. But what came in it is the TLC, I'm sorry if I pronounced this wrong. I am horrible at pronouncing words in general, really. The TLC Siraki Baby Facial License. Yeah, I don't even know. It's got 25% AHA and 2% BHA, whatever that means, and it says chickpea flour, and it's 1.69 fluid ounces. I got the trial size one of this, and sorry, it's kind of like weirdly lit. I liked it. I feel like you definitely have to use it kind of every week in order for it to really make a difference, because I would use it and I get fine lines on my forehead, and the next day those fine lines would be gone, but then of course they'd pop back up. So I feel like you definitely have to use it all the time. I feel like this is for the big one is really expensive. I don't remember how much the full price of it is. Okay. So this is supposed to be a weekly deep cleaning. Okay, I don't know. Anywho, then I got the Best number 9 Jelly Cleanser, which this one I kind of already showed you guys whenever I did our house tour, and I'll put that link in the description down below. But I think it's going to be good. I don't know, but I want to get another trial size one just to like see and make sure. I feel like there's no way I'm going to use all of this, just saying that. This I'm really excited for, if I can get it out, is the La Retro Whipped Cream. It's a really tiny one. Wish it was bigger. Oh, it's really creamy. That looks like butter. Or like margarine. That's what it looks like to me. Ooh, it feels nice though. I like it. Okay. And then we have the Shaba Complex Eye Serum. I love these things. They're so cute and tiny. So there's that. Okay. This is 0.17 ounces. Sorry, I forgot to do the ounces. The jelly cleanser is 1 fluid ounce, and the whipped cream is 0.5 fluid ounces. So these are pretty small, except for this one. They're all pretty small, which I wish the other ones were bigger more than that, because I think I still have some of the other like travel size one that I had gotten. But maybe these aren't selling as well, so maybe that's why they put a whole thing in there. I don't know. And then I have the Virgin Marala Luxury Face Oil, and I've gotten this one before because it came with the trial size one of this baby facial, and it's good. I really liked it and enjoyed it. It felt nice on my skin, and it wasn't super like greasy or anything. This is 0.1 fluid ounces. And then that's it. And then, let's see, this is hard to get out. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wait. Oh! Okay, so there's another little zipper thing down here. Okay, if I can get this. Let me do this out the way. I mean, okay, I thought this was cute, but looking at it, it's all smushed. It's not as cute like this without the wrapping around it. It's super smushed. Maybe I just got a bad one. I'm not sure. But it's got another little thing down here. Well, that kind of made me sad. I don't know. I'll think about it. I may end up returning this. We'll see. But how in the world does this go back on? I feel like I shouldn't have taken it off now. Mistakes were made. Okay, come on. Okay, got it. Let's see what it says on this thing. It says there's a baby on board accomplished by Marala Lala. Is it? I don't know if it's best or bestie. It's BESTE. I have no idea. Hold on. Number 9 and Shaba, all in a custom travel bag, so you can take your weekly at-home facial on the road. Baby, let's go. And it just gives you like the product descriptions. Okay. Let's put this back in here since we're not sure if we're keeping it. I mean, I feel like this bag would be a cute bag to give somebody who I like, but I don't want to go out of my way to like buy them something super new and nice. Let's see. I got a trial Versace Pour Home Dylan Blue. I can't even smell that. Oh, that smells pretty good. Oof, it's a little strong though. Okay, and oh yeah, this was so tiny. I got the Kiehl's Dermatologist Solutions Powerful Shrink Line Reducing Concentrate, and it's got 12.5% vitamin C plus hyaluronic acid. Excuse my pronunciation, but I got this little thing too. And that's it. This is all it. I don't know if you guys can even see all of it, but it's all very tiny, except for this, which is really huge for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, so there's a little unboxing for you guys.